Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about this supplement Rituals HyaCera, or you can say like HyaCera. Okay, so you should buy this supplement. Does this supplement really helpful for your wrinkles and you can say like fine lines? Does it really give you results, or it just another waste of money product? Okay, and what are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any order? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about Ritual Vitamins or Ritual is a very popular brand and they are very old and they have good repute on internet in this field. Okay, so in the terms of legitness, the brand is 100% legit, and definitely you can buy their any product. Okay, and if we talk about HyaCera, basically this product is related to your skin hydration, and it will provide you glow, and you can say like it will reduce your wrinkles and fine lines. But if we talk about like results, so I want to tell you only one thing, like these kind of supplements will give you results, but results will not give you overnight. It will take lots of time. So as you can see on this area, they have already mentioned HyaCera is a clinical proven which reduce your wrinkle and fine lines. Also you can say like reduce your you can say like crow feet wrinkles, like this kind of wrinkles. If you have this kind of wrinkles, then this you can say like multivitamin or this supplement is really helpful. But it will take approx 90 days minimum time period. For some people it will take more than 90 days. Okay, it will take more than 90 days. So it depends on person to person, and the condition of your skin and the type of the wrinkle and the quality of the wrinkle, or you can say like the quantity of the wrinkle and skin condition. So there are so many factors on which the result is based. Okay, so if we talk about you should buy or not, yes, definitely you can buy. But when you are going to buy supplement, please try to buy supplement only for one time purchase. Don't try to take any kind of subscription. If you take any subscription, they will provide you some discount, but if you forget to cancel your subscription, they will charge on your account. So better thing you can do, you can avoid subscription. You can take one time purchase, and there is no, you can say like need to cancel subscription, and there is no need to worry about if you want product or not. You are free from subscription. But if you take subscription, then you have to pay lots of fees if you don't need product, even if you don't need product. Okay, so these are the things. Now if we talk about you should buy or not, yes, definitely you can buy. This brand is really good brand, and they are providing really, you can like good, you can like supplements. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make comment in our section, then we will provide you some information, then we will provide you, you can say, your queries. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.